Web 3.0 is a fascinating concept that becomes increasingly genuine as time passes. Many people believe that we are now living in the Web 3.0 age. If this is something that interests you, then you should watch this video till the end. This video will go through Web 3.0 in detail and discuss its future significance. But first, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Let's get started. Let us first begin by knowing what exactly is Web 3.0. Web 3.0 was coined by John Markoff, who is a reporter for the New York Times, in 2006. In many ways, Web 3.0 is a return to Bernard Semantic Lee's web notion, in which no centralized authority approval is required, and there is no centralized monitoring node. Web 3.0 will be premised on new types of technological developments, such as edge computing, blockchains, decentralized data networks, and artificial intelligence, as opposed to Web 2.0, which was fueled by advancements in internet services and social media platforms and cloud computing. Despite the fact that Web 3.0 has yet to reach a major turning point, qualified experts and blockchain nerds have indeed been making optimistic predictions about the internet's future. A user can now receive information from a number of servers and databases located throughout the world over the internet, and over 50% of those data centers are owned by Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, which is frankly very unsurprising. In Web 3.0, data will be saved on decentralized cloud networks and self-contained storage units. As a corollary, Web 3.0 will just not rely on centralized data hubs to offer information to customers. Developing such a strong decentralized database server, however, is a major challenge in and of itself. The way people use the internet will also alter as a result of Web 3.0. For example, personalized advertising along with feeds similar to those found on Facebook and YouTube will be available. Furthermore, the search tool in Web 3.0 will employ strong AI to give personalized results for each user based on their preferences and requirements. Analysts, on the other hand, presume that the Web 3.0 framework will probably require a considerable rise in facilities as well as the capital, and that developing infrastructure capable of breaking big tech's hegemonic power will indeed be difficult, if not impossible. Furthermore, given Facebook's recent announcements about moving its operational processes to the metaverse, it's possible that when we get to Web 3.0, we'll find the same companies that dominated Web 2.0. Importance of Web 3.0 for the future. Web 3.0 is a network for users maintained by users in the vein of creator-driven portals. The following are the most important reasons why Web 3 will become increasingly important in the coming years. Reliance on facilitators is reduced. It will facilitate the elimination of intermediaries in various firms, the elimination of rent-seeking agents, and the direct transfer of value to the customer and suppliers in a network. In addition, members of the network will strive to overcome difficult-to-control difficulties previously by sharing ownership and authority of these fully decentralized intelligence frameworks. Peer-to-peer networking will grow in popularity. As a response to new internet technologies, the relationship between organizations and the community will remain fundamentally durable, enabling more adaptive peer-to-peer involvement and management. People, corporations, and robots would be able to share more data while maintaining more security and privacy thanks to peer-to-peer networking. Increased trust. We may lessen our reliance on individual platforms by contemplating future prospects before planning our entrepreneurial and investment operations by knowing the next group of internet users. Reduce dependence on centralized repositories. Web 3.0 aims to diversify the internet's sources to avoid hacking, disclosures, and dependency on centralized repositories. Users would be able to secure and protect their own data and digital traces thanks to certified data scarcity as well as tokenized virtual assets. No platform will indeed be found responsible for how data is used. More personalized communication. Web 3.0 will become considerably more important in 2022 as most customers actively seek personalized web surfing experiences. Improved AI-powered search assistants. Artificial intelligence and semantics-driven electronic search agents that are smarter and more capable than humans would be in high demand. Few important terms associated with Web 3.0. Number 7. Blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized ledger that stores data across a network of computers called nodes. The data is separated into parts, which are then cryptographically linked together. When new data is added to the blockchain, it takes up a vacant block and is linked to earlier blocks to construct a chronologically ordered chain. This blockchain's data is irreversible. It is stored indefinitely and is available to everybody. Number 6. NFT. A non-fungible token is a blockchain-based representation of digital goods such as music, photographs, art, and 3D models. Something that is different and not interchangeable is described as non-fungible. Number 5. DApp. A decentralized application is a program that operates on a blockchain network. DApps are decentralized applications that are both open source as well as public and are actually not managed by a single authority. Number 4. Miner cryptocurrency. Miners are the nodes that make up the blockchain. Every miner is given a token, which is a 64-digit hexadecimal number generated during the transaction and used to establish a new record in the blockchain. Concurrently, miners authenticate transactions by verifying the origin, guaranteeing that currency is not spent twice, and confirming that transaction volume is within permissible limits. Miners have been rewarded with cryptocurrency for confirming transactions that appear to have been put to the blockchain. Number 3. Token. A token is usually a randomized text or a number. In cryptocurrencies, it can have a variety of meanings. Tokens are any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are commonly referred to as coins. Furthermore, a token is a cryptocurrency that makes use of the infrastructure of some other cryptocurrency. If it perhaps has its own blockchain, for instance, the token may become a currency. A digital asset could alternatively be represented by a token, NFT. Number 2. Smart contract. A smart contract is a decentralized piece of software that runs on the blockchain and is activated when certain conditions are met. It appears to be a vending machine. The card activates when the buyer inserts it to make a transaction. It allows customers to order a drink and then send money to the merchant after it is delivered. It is fully automated, safe, and efficient. Number 1. Cryptocurrency or crypto. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital currency developed through cryptographic techniques. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, which means a central bank or government does not govern it. Nobody can produce or mine cryptocurrency, acquire, trade, or exchange it without limitation or supervision. Traditional financial procedures are less secure and take substantially longer. Hence, these transactions are said to be far superior. So this is all about Web 3.0, its relevance in the future, and the few terms that are quite significant when it pertains to Web 3.0. All of this actually does seem like the future, given the current technological advancements that the human race is witnessing. Let us know your take on Web 3.0 in the comments section below.